So this is a good command, docker execute -it ubuntu latest bash. Let me see what this command actually does. Explain this command to me. explain this. The exec command runs a specified command inside a running container. Okay, and -it, these flags are used to provide the -i flag to keep the standard input of the container open, allowing you to type commands into the container. This T flag tells the docker exec to allocate a sudo T for the container, giving it a terminal-like experience. Okay, and bash the command. This is the command to execute inside the container. In this case, it's launching the bash shell. So the entire effectively opens a bash shell inside the Ubuntu server container, allowing you to interact. Main thing is we want a bash shell where inside the container, and exec is allowing us to execute the commands, and I is for standard input of the container open, allowing you to type commands into the container. Why -i flag is needed when exec is so the same. -i flag is needed to ensure the standard input stdin of the container remains open. This means you can type commands directly into the container's terminal session. Without the I flag, it would be closed immediately after the command is executed, preventing you from interacting with the container shell. T allows a pseudo terminal for the container. This provides a terminal-like environment, allowing the container to receive and respond input and output signals correctly. Without T, the container would not be able to handle terminal-related operations properly. So -i and T both are needed. Execute is needed. This is the complete command. Okay. So okay, bye.